Fatima and Salawuddin for putting this together. It's a real pleasure of mine to be here. And my name is Alfredo Okoro, and I'm from ISABITV. And I'm hoping that I will glance through this, and then afterwards we can get into a Q&A so that people can actually ask how ISABITV, especially you creators, how ISABITV can be of help to you. But first, if we can just glance through this. What we believe in. So our vision is to build a platform basically for Black stories. I know you have the YouTubes, you have the Instagrams, you have the TikToks, but we have the core belief that there is nothing particularly dedicated to us. And because of that, our vision in the long term is to build a repository for Black stories, whatever kind of Black stories it is. Our red flag is no sexualization, no institutional violence. Outside of that, we want every one of your stories, and nobody can tell it better than you can. Now, what is the problem? No. Yes, sir. What is the problem with Black media? Just like every business, you must solve a problem. What problem are we trying to solve? There is a void in the world of Black entertainment, whereby there's a lot of content that does not offer any kind of informative or educational success. You can see we have a lot of videos. Yeah, we have comedy skits, we have a whole lot of things, but none of those are information, none of those are educative. So that is the niche we are trying to fill. We're not trying to replace whatever is out there, but rather to create something where we are able to share our cultural heritage, our knowledge, our information, our backgrounds, and our history. And the solution for that is given a streaming platform, which we have, where we have absolute control over it, laying emphasis on informational and educational narrative, where we showcase, promote, and most importantly, monetize your content. But the key thing is you must add value back to the society. Going forward, we also plan to build post-production facilities simply because we understand that you creators have some bottlenecks. Those bottlenecks we as a company are hoping to eliminate. That way, just come with your stories and we can create content. Now, why ISABITV? Now, for creators, you are able to monetize your creativity and share stories that matter. If you're an influencer or a blogger, you're able to connect to a community of like-minded individuals that are passionate about Afrocentric content.